Shesha. In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can get the certification. The first and the most important thing is to complete the course. You need to complete each and every module and at least the quiz section after each module. If you don't want to watch the whole video, you just have to complete the quiz that is after each module. You can use our Android app to complete and skip the video lectures and give the quiz section automatically. Once you have completed it, you can also download the resources and you can click on Get Certification button. If you have any issues, you can contact the free certification team that is available on WhatsApp by clicking on the contact button and use the email ID and the number that is provided.